All right, as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in these live streams are based on my opinion and my opinion only. Future trading is very risky where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management. I'm not responsible for any lost funds. Today is March 10th at 7:08 a.m. in beautiful Denver, Colorado. So again, none of this is financial advice. And yes, I'm wearing my blanket today. You guys can no making fun of me. It's cold. So I'm gonna wear my blanket. Good morning. Good morning. Let's get live on Zoom as well. As always, if you guys could start the day with a like, it would be greatly appreciated. Double tap the screen, hit the like button. Let everybody know that we are live. Live on YouTube. Bet. Bet. How's everybody's evening? Yeah, I got the blanket on today. Don't judge. This shit's mad comfy. Let's see who we got in here. Lola, John, Justin. Macaroni Man, nice name. Sir Chainsaw, Chris, what up? DVTCO, RMK, everybody on the TikTok as well. Good morning. Let's get it. Let's find another banger. David. I'm about to get real white on the TikTok. I don't know why it does this. Yeah, super white. I don't know how to fix my whites either. What's up, Indigo? Good morning. What up? Oh, let's get T-Bull up in here. Boom. Type it up. If you ever have questions, type it up, and when I see it, I'll answer. I'm trading with your boys. Cool. Good morning. So you have a Lucid account, okay? Did you use code Brandon when you got the Lucid account? That's the good luck to pass and get funded. It's by using code Brandon. Again, if you guys could take 2 seconds, hit that like button, it would be greatly appreciated. Double tap the screen. Everybody on the YouTube, make sure to hit that like button. But also, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Live trade every single day. We've been on a massive winning spree. And yeah, let's continue to do it. Live trading every single morning for New York market open. Let's get it. I mean, can you take a payout? I trade other things. ES, NQ, GC, YM if it has a setup, Russell if it has a setup. Just really depends, where's their opportunity. But if there's opportunity, that is where Brando will be to make money. So just aim for 100. Aim for 100 for these next couple of days, and then you're good. Get your payout. Passed your eval yesterday. Let's go. What was my strategy? Supply and demand, and then a few intraday setups. I got you. Next time you get Lucid accounts, make sure to use code Brandon. It's good luck charm. Go over the watch list here in a little bit. Give some more time. Again, if you guys could start the day with a like as well, be greatly appreciated. How can I start trading? By going on over to the tube and typing in BrandonTrades. 1,500 videos live over there as well. But yeah, go onto the tube and type in BrandonTrades. 1,500 videos, 126,000 subs. Almost at 127,000 actually. You guys want to know the secrets to catching bangers as well? The white monster in the morning. That's the secret. What's my bias for the day? Wait for zones. And when price trades to zones, we look for entries. That's the bias right now. Where is my zoom? What up, Team Bull? Good morning. Where's that Gino guy? He ain't even here. He said good morning. He's not even in. But what's up, Team Bull fam? Good morning. Again, everybody on the TikTok. We have 100 of you in here. If you guys are not following, hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. I can guarantee not all 100 of you are following. So find that follow button. Click it. Everybody on the tube, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Do I drive a GTR? Yes, GTR R35. Hit that subscribe button. And then everybody on the TikTok, if you guys want a full screen view instead of the little cropped image that we have over here, head on over to my tube channel, BrandonTrades, where I'm also live right now. You get the full screen view. And then 1,500 videos teaching you on how to trade as well. Following my rules, you passed your account. Let's go. NQ, good morning. Good morning. Let's get it. Give it 4 more minutes, and then we'll go over this watch list today. Four more minutes. I mean, I don't have a good balance until that lower green shaded area, so it's really far away. But that's going to be the demand. Same thing with ES. I mean, if it traded down to 93, I have a demand zone there, but that's like almost 100 points away, 95 points away. So I doubt it. But yeah, we'll just look for intraday setups. What time frame is the book map? I have it in 1 minute increments right here. 7:17, 7:18, 7:19, etc. But I'll typically keep it between like 1 and 2 minutes. So it's 2 minutes. This is 1 minute. Yeah, I mean, you can even zoom in to like nanoseconds if you wanted to, but keep it on 1 minute. This guy really joined and said, I have noob candle colors. And then in his bio, it says he's been trading for 3 years. Brother, I got more than double your experience in the market. Respectfully. I don't know. I'm not on the new Apex accounts yet. I'm still trading my old ones. Yeah, I'm going to make a script for it, and then I'm going to make it alert or have it make it have alerts as well if it spikes. Give it 4 more minutes. 2 more minutes, actually. Give the mentee students the Zoom as well. Boom. Do a lot of people copy trade me? I'd say, yeah, a lot. Gino has some mute. But, I mean, if you're seeing the same thing that I'm seeing, especially if you're learning from me, you know, then take the trades. Obviously, if it doesn't make sense, then don't take it. But hopefully all of you are watching the videos and learning from me, because I would say my strategy is pretty simple for the most part. The webinar is on Thursday. So if you guys haven't signed up for the webinar, I'm going to drop it here in the tube in a second. The Bone Man is here. What was I about to do? Oh yeah, the webinar. Bet. Let's bet. Webinar is on Thursday. There we go. Free webinar Thursday link. You have to be signed up, everybody. If you're in the tube, take 5 seconds and sign up. If you're trading options, think or swim, or if you're trading futures, trade of 8. What's my bias? Up or down? Up or down? I can say with certainty the market will go from left. Where's my mouse? From left to right, 100%. This Thursday is the webinar. Again, if you guys are new, take 2 seconds, hit that follow button. It would be greatly appreciated. Everybody in the don't say it. Everybody in the tube, hit that subscribe button. It would mean the absolute world to me. And then, yeah, everybody watching on TikTok, if you guys want a full screen view instead of a little cropped image, make sure to head on over to my tube channel, BrandonTrades. 126,000 subs, 1,500 videos teach you on how to trade for completely free. And then I'm live over there right now as well. So make sure you guys tap in. Tap on in. And then also, before the market opens, if you guys do need any funded accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, Tradeify, make sure to use discount code Brandon. Remember, these live streams are completely free. There's only a few things that I ask from you guys. 1, you join every single morning. 2, you interact with my content. And then 3, if you ever buy funded accounts, again, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, Tradeify, or Apex, make sure to use discount code Brandon. Obviously, the goal is to help you guys pass these accounts as well as helping you guys get payouts. So again, use code Brandon on those prop firms. I trade with both props and my own capital. So both. What are we trading? ES, NQ. I got GC on watch as well. It's breaking above my level at 52.18, so we can see what happens there. Maybe Nvidia. Nvidia was strong yesterday if I'm going to trade options. And then, yeah, that's about it. Left to right for sure. But yeah, follow all of you. I need all of you to follow right now and subscribe. Mr. GD, good morning, buddy. If you're even here. Everybody joining in the Zoom. What up? What up? Let's crush it. Brother, Props weren't even really a thing when I started trading. I started trading 2017. Back in my day, we didn't get shit like that. We had to trade with our own capital. I mean, I'm sure there were like props back in the day, but I had no fucking clue what they were. But yeah, no. Started trading 2017, so what is that? 8 years. Got a PhD in this shit. Late 2017, so low over 8 years. Yeah, I do like gold a lot. I know, for real. I'm Unk. Unk status. It's another reason why everybody should be following and subscribing. Boys actually got experience. More experience than 99% of people on these apps. It's BrandonTrades PhD to you. All right? Get it right. You refer to me as BrandonTrades PhD. Or Doc Brando. Either or. Nice little pump up in the pre-market. It's good. BWAP. Boom. 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 I missed you, buddy. No. Why? Because I haven't talked to you since yesterday morning. Actually, no, that's a lie. I talked to you last night. I mean, for the most part, all you really need is gold, ES, and NQ. It's really all you need. But I know what you mean. Some prop firms restrict, some don't. Like on TPT, I don't think they have any restrictions unless, like, you know, you're talking about Forex currency futures, but that's about it. So, again, market opens here in 5 minutes, everybody. If you guys could, again, follow if you're new, subscribe if you're new. Double tap the screen. It'd be greatly appreciated. It helps a lot with the algo. Everybody on YouTube. Fuck, I said it. Everybody on Tube. Make sure to hit that like button. We got 150 of you in here and 70 likes. So let's at least get 100 likes. And again, if you guys need to get funded, Take Profit Trader, Apex, Tradeify, Lucid. Make sure to use discount code Brandon. It'll always get you the best possible discounts. But yeah, market opens in 5 minutes. On Apex, you can't, but on like Lucid and Take Profit Trader, yeah. You get better luck when you use code Brandon. People treat these props like, it depends how you treat them, yeah, because a lot of people will treat them like gambling. But if you treat it like your real own capital and you follow the rules, it's pretty fucking easy to get payouts. Three minutes. But yeah, pretty much get above pre-market high, look for longs, get below pre-market low, look for shorts. No good demand until way down here at that green rectangle, so very far away. Same exact thing on ES. Get above pre-market highs, look for longs, below shorts. And then, yeah, green rectangle for bounce, which is 100 points away currently on ES. So we'll see. We have CPI tomorrow. And yeah. Gold is pumping. I want to watch gold. Gold looks really good for an uptrend entry. Might be overbought on a 5 minute, but we're looking for a pullback as far as everything else. No. It's been consolidating for days. All right, Team Bull, you guys ready to crush it? Bangers only today. Bang, bang. Let's get it. Let's get it. We got CPI tomorrow. Remember, as always, everybody, A+ setups. Trade safe, trade smart, use proper risk management. This damn blanket keeps falling off. But yeah, let's get this bag today again. Make sure you guys follow. Make sure to subscribe, and let's hopefully catch another banger today. It's been a really good, last 6 days of trading. So let's get it. Let's get it. And let's see. Market is open. All right, boys, let's do it. Boys and girls. What? Oh, best believe, bro. I got the rule book ready for you. I'll post it later. I gotta edit it a little bit. Nice little push off the open. I want to watch gold too for uptrend entries. See what happens at like this 52.18 with gold. I don't know how I could be any more clear when I take a trade. I give you the levels. What's up? I literally don't know how I could be any more clear. I say the levels and everything. I say I'm watching it, and then I say I'm in. Next time I'm just scream it like 10 times. I'm in, I'm in, I'm in, I'm in. ES longs, ES longs. Take it right now. It's like, that's what I'll do though. Good shit, Don. Watch this gold bounce a few points early. Yeah, lizard. Nice little push to start the morning. Gold's bouncing a few points short of my level, so might not get it. Would have been really interested in that 52.18. Or it's bouncing like 4 points early, so yeah, would have been interested in that, but I don't know if we'll get it. It's pushing pretty hard already. No, I'm not actually in ES longs. I was just saying, somebody on the Zoom was like, can you repeat it multiple times? But like, I'm pretty clear when I take these trades every time. What I have pulled up, NQ futures right now. See if we catch some. All right, let's watch this gold, everybody. What are you watching today, GD? Fire. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. Everybody in the tube, make sure to subscribe. And then everybody that is watching on TikTok, if you guys want a full screen view instead of the little cropped image, full screen, make sure to head on over to my tube channel, BrandonTrades, where I have 1,500 videos teach you on how to trade, as well as, why is this not working? There we go. 1,500 videos teach you on how to trade, as well as 126,000 subs. And then I live trade over there every single morning as well. So again, Brandon Trades on the tube if you guys want to tap in. Still watching this gold, everybody. It's just looking pretty weak. So definitely need to see some buyers come in. On what time frame? I think we're going to fail this on gold. On TOS? We broke above the supply. We don't have another one till way up here. They're trying to pop it back up. A 3-minute supply, you shouldn't have it on a 3-minute. That's why. Still watching this for a long entry. On what? Yeah. No, might end up missing it. Not a huge fan of the reaction on gold. What news we got today, G? For what? Nice. Next supply on gold's pretty far away. Like I said, we're not really trading out zones right now, so we just gotta stay patient and either wait for a really high probability intraday setup, or we don't take anything and we wait. Patience, patience, fam. Again, everybody watching on the TikTok, if you're new, make sure to hit that follow button. Everybody on the tube, make sure to subscribe. I can guarantee not all of you are following and subscribed. It's actually popping in the YouTube. Oh my God, I can't say it. It's popping in the tube today, 230 people. I appreciate you guys tapping in. But again, make sure you guys hit that like button. Out of 230 people, we have 92 likes. I'm sure you guys can run it up more than that. But yeah, if you guys could, subscribe, hit that like, and then everybody watching on the TikTok, if you guys want a full screen view instead of the cropped image, head on over to Tube, type in BrandonTrades, I'll pop right up. 1,500 videos teach you guys on how to trade for completely free. So if you're not subscribed over there and you're not tapping in, I don't really know what to tell you. And then again, if you guys are looking to get funded, take Profit Trader, Lucid, Tradeify, Apex, make sure to use code Brandon in all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discount. Code Brandon, all caps. No, we still have a negative CVD on gold. I mean, that's not to say it won't go up, but it's just, even when we came down into this, it wasn't looking too strong on the reclaim. So, like I said, it could push. It's just not my favorite. So actually, we're going to take this off. like NQ more. Actually starting to get movement on it. And if you guys have the indicator, I will be adding some updates throughout the week. Just an FYI. Got some things I gotta change. There we go. We hit 100 likes. TikTok, the algo doesn't like it when I say the full word for tube. No te gusta. And now they're buying this up. What is this? Whack ass candle on NQ. Might just have to wait for the news. You know, it's a smart idea. I know you guys are digging the blanket, though. The blanket's fire. But that is smart. I unmute and I talk in the Zoom when I'm, like, you know, being more serious. But as far as, like, you know, actual just fucking around talking, I mute on Zoom. I wish we had a squeeze. I'd be willing to watch this pullback for long, but no squeeze. Good thing we didn't take that gold. Falling apart. What do I use for news? I can't find any red folder on Forex Factory. Market Watch is what I use. But we don't have red folder until Wednesday or tomorrow. Should I buy the Versace robe and hop on here every morning in it? That'd be fire. The new rules say you can get 6 payouts with the new Apex PAs. So, I mean, 6 payouts. It's pretty fucking good. So, and then they'll close the account. And I think you just start new. But, again, that's pretty, like, that's not bad at all. Pretty much. So I can't tell if they patched it because I had somebody join yesterday and say they did it for non-farm payrolls and they have their accounts. But pretty much what you would do is you would send half your accounts long, half your accounts short, and then set your trims at the take profits to pass the account. If you decide to do it tomorrow, again, there is that chance that they will close your account, but the person that did it for non-farm payroll said, you know, they still got their PAs. So yeah, it's really up to you. Just understand that there is that risk. But if you decide to do it, make sure to use code Brandon, all caps. Get you the best discount on Apex. Yeah, get the Versace robe and the Versace slippers. Bet. Bet. Really slow price action this morning, fam. Probably best to wait for this first 30-minute candle to close, and then we'll have our orb high and orb low. Well, it's because TPT literally says you can't do it. But Apex for the longest time never said that. But now, like, they have a rule, but it's not like the clearest wording on if it applies to evals or if it applies to PAs. It did apply to PAs originally, but as far as evals, they never said. No, you could do it on Apex for the longest time, Peter. For the longest time. Why didn't I take longs on NQ? Because it's not my setup. Why do I prefer the 30-minute orb over the 15? Back test it, and you'll see why. Gives the market initial balance, first 30 minutes. and then we get all the news out of the way as well. But just back test the accuracy between the two. Bit. The activation fee, I fucked up when I activated all my, I had 10 accounts to activate. I accidentally chose the monthly instead of the lifetime, so I'm a little pissed about that, but I don't know what it is right now. I haven't activated any accounts with the new ones, but I'm assuming probably like $65 to $85, somewhere in that range. 79. There you go. We are popping on the tube today. Now I gotta find you guys a trade. I'm obligated. We got a lot of people in here today. Again, if you guys need accounts, Lucid, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Apex, make sure to use code Brandon in all caps. Always get you the best possible discounts. Code Brandon. Apex, Tradeify, Lucid, Take Profit Trader. ES structure does not look good compared to NQ. I wouldn't be surprised if they push this NQ though. I will say that. Would not be surprised. Gotta watch gold during Asia. That's the time. But supply and demand works on every futures instrument. So yes, it works on gold. See if we can keep up the green streak for you guys. Let's see. Last week we did. If you guys weren't trading with me last week, last Monday we did 90 points. Last Tuesday, 75 points, both on NQ. Wednesday, 81 points on NQ. And then last Thursday, 18 points on ES. And then yesterday, NQ went over 200 points from our entry on the live. So, really good trades recently. But again, that's why we stay patient. We wait for A+ setups. And yeah, just wait. Again, so as long as we hold these moving averages, I wouldn't be surprised if we made a move into a new high today. But if we break the moving averages and VWAP on NQ, then I think we'll go lower. ES is looking pretty weak. Still below the moving averages, still below VWAP, which is why I'm like, kind of 50-50. NQ structure looks good, but obviously, it could fall apart. We can have the right idea, but if it doesn't meet our criteria, then we don't take the trade. Okay. So I can sit here and say, I think it's going to go to high today. And if it does, you know what? So what? Right? Wasn't my criteria. It looks good to the upside, but it's not a trade I would take. Appreciate the follows. Purple line, 8 EMA. Yes, everything on TikTok and the tube has a delay. If you don't want the delay, then you have to join my my Discord and join my Zooms, which I'll drop that link in the chat if you want to tap in. Live in the Discord every day. That's that link. Let's see what the Dow's doing. Russell and the Dow. Are you watching my screen, Steve? The Russell's looking pretty strong today. Might watch something on that. This guy. Wrong chat, dummy. Hold on. Bro's gonna get fired on his first day. Bro got hired for 54 minutes. You don't see my book map? Should see everything. Do you guys see everything on the Zoom? Yeah, all right, bet. There you go. All right. Give this 5 more minutes, get the news. We'll have our 30-minute orb, and then go from there. Boring first 30 minutes. Very, very boring. We are breaking below those moving averages. So again, give this 4 more minutes. Let's get the data for the news and then go from there. How do I make you a mod on here? On TikTok, I don't know how to do that. I can do it on YouTube. I don't know about TikTok. Oh my God, I said it again. Tube. Can only say tube. Did you guys take any trades yet? Anybody in the tube or TikTok? Any trades? Let's see what's gold doing. He kind of broke that bull flag, but potentially. I mean, maybe. He already broke the bull flag. He's pushing out of that. So let's pull up GC on this other screen. Just pull back to the 21 EMA, held it, now it's pushing, but yeah, no trades for me yet. Wait for this news, 3 more minutes. Scalps on ES. Wait, you share your screen? How do I watch? Nah, it won't let me. They should definitely make it so we can watch. All right, Where is ES at? ES is trading towards that pre-market low. 67.68. Then 61 is going to be the Asia low. You look ugly. How about that, Christian? How's it feel? Yeah, you like those big ass balls. Wouldn't doubt it. Hoto. Mi Hoto amigo. Christian knows I love him. I'm just kidding, mi amigo. All right. We got our 30-minute orbs. Guess let's wait for a break and retest. It's really all I see. Very choppy this morning. Gene don't even know Spanish. Gene. All right. Breaking below this 30-minute orb. See if we get a break and retest. We're at that ES pre-market low right here. Snapping back up into it. So far, the CVD is doing what it's done every other time we try to break these lows. This is what do I have? NQ pulled up. Do I trade London session? Absolutely not. That's at like 1 a.m. my time. Your boy is sleeping by then. No, it's actually the buyers are strong on the order flow right now as we try to make our way below that pre-market low. So we'll have to see what happens. Check oil. Yeah. Oil is doing absolutely nothing, so no. We have really big buyers at 62. Which is at Asia low. See if we can get down there. Test the Asia low. Again, if you guys are new, take 2 seconds, hit that follow button, it'd be greatly appreciated. Everybody on the tube, hit that subscribe, it'd be greatly appreciated as well. And everyone watching on TikTok, if you guys want a full screen view instead of the cropped image that you have over here on TikTok, make sure to head on over to my tube channel, Brandon Trades. I'll pop right up. 125, 126,000 subs, 1,500 videos teach you on how to trade. Plus, I live trade over there every single morning as well for New York. I have it pulled up on ES because that was the one that tried to break below the pre-market low. Volume coming in as well. A lot of volume. Would not be surprised. Nope, no trades today so far. Doesn't really make sense to even try that sweep because you'd be risking 79 all the way down to 66. So like 13 to 14 points. Like, yeah, it popped 79, 86, like 7 points, but it's not even a one-to-one risk reward yet. So yeah, I still think our best bet is take out that pre-market low and then maybe pull back and retest it and then look for potential shorts. But like I said, that CVD was kind of hinting it's not ready to break that pre-market low yet. So could reverse completely, could come back up. But, no super high quality setup yet. Book maps awesome in general. I've been loving the CVD though. Guys didn't watch the video I posted about it last night. It's fire. Gold looks like shit. Wait for the new indicators that we're dropping on Bookmap as well. They gonna be fire. On my tube channel, BrandonTrades. All right, market's coming back down. See if we can finally break this pre-market low here. Again, I want to see the break and retest. I mean, you could paper trade or trade the prop firms. It's really up to you if you have no experience, but it limits your, how much you could risk or end up losing because, you could open an account with 5K but lose 5K, or you could, if you're new, buy a 50K account for, what are they, like 30 bucks right now on Apex and get practice and experience in. And most you can lose is 30 bucks, unless obviously you go out buying over 100 accounts. But yeah, it's up to you. You know, if you want to do paper because you're new, you can do that. If you want to do props, you can do that as well. Completely up to you. But again, Apex, use code Brandon, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, code Brandon, all caps. Always get you the best possible discounts. We're below this 30-minute orb. CBD is starting to come down. Big buyer at these Asia lows. Got to take that out if we want to go lower. Yep, I have NQ pulled up. All right, let's see if we bounce back up into this 30-minute orb on NQ. We are at ES pre-market low, so it could just potentially reject here, but I want that 30-minute orb for NQ. Good shit. Yep. Looking at a short, potentially. If we can pop up into this blue line and get a rejection, sure. But like I said, we could potentially reject now because we are at ES pre-market low, but I prefer 30-minute orb on NQ if I'm going to take an entry. Come on, get up there. We did technically reject the 30-minute orb on ES at like that 72. But again, I want this NQ level. If we get it, cool. If not, oh well. All right. We're going into the level. Let's watch it. You motherfucker. Get up there. Watching this very closely for an entry, everybody. Just better not reject early. Potential shorts. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to try some here, but I'm going to be willing to add if we do pop up towards like that 40 area. Yeah. Let's see if we take out 900. We do have some big buyers here. Immediately up 15 points. So let's see if we can take out 900, flush that pre-market low at 90. See if we can get more. We're up almost 20 points. So again, this 900 is a pretty big level. See if we can take it out. There we go. There's that pre-market low. If you want to trim, it's about 30 points. Set my stop at break it. What the hell? No, I tried to put it at break even, but I guess it popped above it and rejected it. So still in. But we hit that pre-market low. That was like 30 points on the dot. We're back at break even. So let's see if it holds or if it flushes. See if it comes back down or not. It's holding that pre-market low, but CVD is setting new lows. Did you guys make some money on that? Quick little 30 points. Again, I would really love to see if we can take out this pre-market low. Let's see how this 5-minute candle forms. Come on. Yeah. I'm going to close the rest, everybody. I'm going to close the rest. Quick little 30-point trade, but it's starting to really hold this low. And then ES is coming up as well. So, quick little scalp. If anything, we can look for another another entry, but not really liking how we keep popping up. How do you count points? 31, 32, 33. That's points. See if we pop a little higher into this ADMA and see what happens there. Yeah, let's watch it right here. Good thing we bailed. They're popping it back up. See, we come back down below and fail this 30-minute orb. Out above it. Yeah, we're reclaiming this orb. Trying to, at least. Quick little 30 points, nothing crazy. How's that a risky trade? It came back up, it retested that 30-minute orb, and then it started to come down with the CVD also coming down as well. It's a typical setup that I would trade. And then I did say short. I went short on NQ. Gotta listen. It was up 30 points from when we entered. Trimming a pre-market low, and then pop back up. Held that pre-market low. If we would have taken out that pre-market low, it really would have started flushing. All right, so now I don't really know, because I was liking shorts, but coming back up into that orb. Patiently wait for the next trade. BrandonTrades, yes sir. Oh my god, did this dude make a new account just to be annoying? Block you before you get the chance. Loser. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Follow, subscribe over on the tube. If you guys want a full screen view instead of a little cropped image, make sure to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades. It'd be greatly appreciated. Starbucks is going. A hundo. Actually, Starbucks looks really good for a swing. Is that what you're watching? It looks really good. Never doubt them white girls, bruh. They will keep that stock up. It's all the fundamental analysis you need. I'm buying more Starbucks just because of that right now. Let's see. Starbucks. Where's that? There it is. Okay. Starbucks, more bought. All right. Any questions we got on the YouTube? Again, 30 points on NQ, nothing crazy. Pretty small trade, but you know, we got our R multiple. Had we break in that pre-market low, we definitely would have started flushing. Absolutely. But you know, just one of those scenarios where it worked out originally and then started to come back up and it didn't make sense anymore. So now we wait. We might be able to catch a potential uptrend entry if we hold above these moving averages and VWAP, and then we pull back and test it. So possible trade on gold. Not really seeing anything on gold. It's kind of slow today. Thank you for becoming a channel member, JV. Greatly appreciate it. I haven't had Starbucks since it had me tweaking a couple weeks ago. Do I have students? Absolutely. If you want to talk about mentorship, just hit me up on Instagram, BrandonTrades. Taught hundreds upon hundreds of people, if not thousands of people. So, yeah, hit me up on Instagram. We can talk about it. And if you guys haven't signed up for the free webinar already, it's pinned in the tube comments here in the live stream. But I'll drop the link for you guys again if you haven't signed up. It is free and it is this Thursday at 7 p.m. EST. If you can't make it, it will be recorded as well. So there's that link. What do I look for when entering a trade? Typically a key level, and then confirmation and price action, as well as order flow. That's really it. It's really all I watch. $2K for me on the SPY bounce. Thanks, Brandon. Greatly appreciate it. Actually, I didn't do shit. You did it all. I don't appreciate anything. I'm happy you made money. But, yeah, good shit. But yeah, let's see if we hold above these moving averages and then look for a pullback. Again, follow if you guys are new. Everybody on the TikTok, I know not all of you are following. Everybody on the tube, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It means the absolute world to me. What city am I in? Beautiful Denver, Colorado. All right, Team Bull. So what I'm watching, possible close above moving averages and VWAP on NQ with strength throughout like these next few candles, and then maybe a pullback into them. Look for a little better market structure. What orb indicator do I use? It's the one that I made and coded. My indicator. Very choppy. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Were you guys able to make some money on those shorts? Anybody? Lunch money, Starbucks money. Oh, if you guys went long, that's fire. Yeah, see how this next 5-minute candle closes. Possible pullback for longs, I agree. What brokers are having issues? If you're looking to learn, again, head on over to the tube. You should know what the tube is. And type in BrandonTrades. They'll pop right up. Tons of videos teaching my strategy over there. Let's see if we get another setup. All right, we're getting a nice little pump. Nice little pumpy pump. There you go, Abraham. Yeah, let's watch for a pullback, everybody. I like this 5-minute candle, pull back into like VWAP 8 EMA area, so like 986 right now. See if we can look for potential long entries. Oh, damn. But TPT's fine for now. Or not TPT, sorry. Trade Evade's fine. Big old pump. Why we just nuking now? You enter when your heart tells you to. All right, see if we can get this pullback now. 25,000 would be ideal. Come on, come back down. Maybe we won't get a pullback. We'll see. We shall see. The tube is popping today, though. Appreciate you guys tapping in with me every morning. Keeping me company, keeping me sane. Ooh. Come on, market. Give us a pullback. Give us a pullback. Or maybe if we like really start to push above that 30-minute orb, we could look for a pullback and retest. I think it's going to push here. Good shit. I'm looking for possible pullback for links. But see the market actually gives possible entry. CVD turned positive. This is too much of a push for me to be interested in the 30-minute orb to the upside. Like I said, I prefer a pullback. It could do it, potentially. I mean, obviously there's that possibility, but a little overextended for me. Yes, sir. Might try to push off this 30-minute orb. Yup. Bet, Brian. Have a good one. Might not take another trade today. That might be it. Give me a trade, GD. Can't leave till you call one. So? Fade me. I don't care. Yeah, use code Brandon, all caps. Brandon, all caps. Fade me. I don't care. You see what you see. I see what I see. And in the rule book, the loser is the, in the rule book, it specifically says the one that is wrong in that scenario falls under the one definition. It's all right. It's alright. But feel free to fade me. I don't care. I mean, higher volume's always ideal, but not like necessary all the time. I'm looking for longs if we can actually get a pullback. I'd like the ADMA if it came back to that. Give us the pullback. Probably give the market to like 9:15, 9:20. So like another 30 minutes. Peace out, homie. Don't worry, guys. I'll stick around with you. I'll keep you company. Broken this thing pullback already. Just overextended at that point, which is why I don't like it. If it wasn't so overextended, I'd be taking it, but literally went straight from 24892, like 100. The orb was like 100 points straight up. So we push 100 points straight up, still with no pullback. I don't like it. Huh. So tired. Do I have an aquarium? No, but that would be sick. That would be sick. Back test it, Christian. You'll see why. Back test it too. Yes, sir. If I'm moving my stop loss, then I'll put limit orders. Most of the time, I'm just doing market though, or sometimes I will put trims as limit orders. But again, most of the time it's market. I mean, they typically set up for decent trades, but again, from there we just scale out, move our stop loss, and it could turn into a big trade. So I guess it really depends on what the market's willing to offer at that time. Yeah. I guess we never took out that big ass buyer on ES. If you guys see this, look how big that was. That whole like 62 to 65, they never broke it. Any questions? While I'm sitting here bored, waiting for a setup. Do we start doom scrolling until we get a setup? Did I have a 2-hour supply? Let's see. No. No 2-hour supply. There's a 2-hour demand. Lower. But no. Ideally the 8 EMA, but I don't think we're going to get it. Market's just trending up. Guess we can see what happens at 36.5 to 39. If we get up there another like 15 points. Prefer if we could do it quick. My stop is just invalidation of confirmation candles. So the trade that confirms for me to get in, or the candle that confirms for me to get in, my stop's on the opposite side and I'll get out manually. But equally at the same time, you have to have the discipline to actually close the trade if it doesn't work out. Give us the pullback or straight push to supply. Are you plotting it on Thinkorswim or TradingView? And you have your after hours on? Yeah, that's why. See if it did hit on ES on TradingView though. Yeah, it did plot that one in the pre-market. Let's see. Yeah. I mean, had that been on TOS as well, that would have been, you know, perfect. But yeah. For the most part, TradingView is nailing those zones though. Starting to go up and the CVD's decreasing. Just hopefully, again, we can push like another 10 points. We're now at that pre-market, actual pre-market high on NQ. Go watch the video I just uploaded on my tube last night. I talk about the CVD. I took shorts earlier. They were up like 30 points, but then it came back to break even. All right, getting close to the supply zone. I just really hope we can hit it because, I mean, it's a little too far away to even start a starter size here. 36 to 39 is what I'm watching. Yeah, I'm gonna do a very light position right here on these shorts and be willing to add if we get into the supply zone. But we are rejecting off of this pre-market high. So again, just in case we reject here, very, very, very light size. But I tried light size MES shorts. And then again, I'm willing to go full size if we actually tap into the zone. I just really have to pee. It's a bad time to have to pee. Let's see. Again, very light for now. If you guys want to wait for a better entry, you can. Yeah, pants are replaceable. I think this will work. Hold on. Yep. All right. I will be back in a second. Hold on. All right, I'm back. I am back. Damn, we rich as fuck. We rich as fuck, boy. I mean, if we get up like 10 points, I'll trim there and then just keep my stop at break even. Currently up 6 points, so give it a little more. CVD was decreasing when price was going up as well into this, like supply pre-market high area. So I'm gonna put a limit for 10 points. Obviously, like if you guys like 6 points, you can take 6 points, but I want to see if we can catch 10. Do have like some buyers down here, but I do like how that CVD is still kind of decreasing. We're up 8 points, 8.5 points. Getting really close to that first trim. You better not bounce, bro. We needed like another point. Come on, get down there. Give me the trim. Let's keep our stop break even as well, everybody. Already up 8 points. There's no reason to keep it in the red. Come on, one more point for the trim. Half a point for the trim. Half a point for the trim. Got half a point off. Come on, you can do it. Just big buyers down here at this 22, 21 level. So again, if you want to trim, absolutely feel free. There we go. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and trim right here, everybody. 10-point trade. Put my stop, couple points in profit, and just let this thing roll over if it wants to. See if we break below that 8 EMA. Break below that, we could really start to flush. That's at 20 or like 19, 20 area. So yeah, we're 10 points in profit. Again, just one of those scenarios where we had to start the position. It sucks, but it could still turn into, a pretty big trade if it decides to break. So worst case scenario, we make some lunch money today. Stop loss, couple points in profit. Guaranteed green on this trade. If you want to keep it at break even, obviously you have that choice. You absolutely can. But I'm going to just put mine or keep mine a couple points of profit. Like if we're going to bounce too, it's going to be this 8 EMA, which we're currently going into, which is why I wanted to trim going into it. If we break it though, it's a different story. Again, worst case scenario, we make a little bit of money today. See if we get the flush. Break 20 for me. $12-point trade so far. Again, we have to break 20. That is the level. Because typically, remember, this is a setup that we will take for like a upside scalp when we get that overextended move and then that first pullback into the ADMA. So, like I said, absolutely, we could bounce here. It's definitely a possible scenario. But given we had this really big move up, pretty much rejected supply as well as that Asia high, I would really like to see us crack this 20 and go lower. Worst case scenario, I make some money. I buy some sushi today and then pat myself on the back. We do have CPI tomorrow too. Remember, if you guys want that Apex method, you can attempt it tomorrow. The new rules make it sound weird, but people said they tried it with non-farm payrolls last week and they got their accounts. So do at your own risk. No, I don't get on for CPI. That's too early for me. I'm still waking up. Stops like 2.5 points in profit, everybody. Should have taken the gold longs. Because given that 5-minute structure, gold's been really choppy recently. They added that when they updated it, so you did it after, and they would have clapped you then that day before they let you go PI or PA. Sorry, getting really close to the stop. Okay, I'm all out in profit. Decent. Again, we took advantage of what the market had to offer today. Wasn't the biggest trades, but hopefully you guys were still able to make some money. 30 points on that MNQ, and then like 11 and a half, 12 points from our entry on MES. So yeah, I'm gonna call it here and just keep what I got. 2 trades today, so base hits. No, I wouldn't even consider those base hits. I would consider them like a first base type hit, but every day is different in the market. You just gotta accept what the market gives you and then move on. So if you guys could, as always, make sure to post your gains in Team Bull. Hashtag post your gains at me. It'd be greatly appreciated. And just do it again tomorrow. I'll DM 2 of you for Apex accounts today if you post and hashtag post your gains and at me. Other than that, everybody have an amazing day, and let's run it up again tomorrow. Peace, Team Bull. Cool. Everybody in TikTok, everybody in YouTube. Again, hopefully you guys were able to make some money today. If you guys could, subscribe, hit that follow button if you guys are new. I live trade New York, market open every single day. So let's do it again tomorrow. Have a blessed day. Follow my Instagram, BrandonTrades. Sign up for the free webinar if you haven't already. Yeah. Talk to you guys in the morning.